Welcome to Tiny Talks in Physiology. Today, let us learn about the pacemaker potential. SA node is known as the pacemaker of the heart. This is because in the heart we have a specialized cell called P cells. P cells are responsible for production of impulse, and that P cells is present in high concentration in the SA node. That is why we call SA node as the pacemaker of the heart. The resting membrane potential is not constant in SA node. It will be varying between minus 55 to minus 60. So, the changes inside the SA node, we call it as pacemaker potential or pre-potential. So, it is defined as the electrical potential in the SA node. The actual meaning is the change in potential from resting membrane potential to firing level, so that will trigger the production of action potential. Now let's see how the pacemaker potential is generated. So at the end of an action potential, there will be potassium channels will be remain open. So at the end of the action potential, potassium channels won't be closing, so it will be open for an extra few time. This will cause more amount of potassium efflux to occur. When potassium moves out from the cell, there will be negativity, and that negativity of the membrane potential will become negative because the positive ion is going out from the cell. So that makes the membrane potential more negative, and that causes hyperpolarization. In the SA node, we have specialized cell that will be opening due to hyperpolarization. That means hyperpolarization will be triggering to open specialized sodium channels in the SA node, and this sodium channels we call it as H channels, or it is also called as funny channels, and the second messenger is cyclic AMP. So because of this, it is also called as hyperpolarization induced cyclic nucleotide gated channels. So in this sodium channels having different names. So the hyperpolarization opened this type of sodium channel, and it causes a slow influx of sodium into the cell. This will increase the positivity inside the cell slowly, and this will trigger the opening of T type of calcium channels. When calcium channel open, there will be more amount of calcium influx into the cell, and the electropositivity slowly increases, and there it ultimately reaches the threshold potential. So this line is the threshold potential. So it reaches the threshold potential. Once it reaches the threshold potential, the action potential will be generated. Thank you.